Compliance is a mandatory element of fleet operation, but it can be complicated and time-consuming without the right tools. Verizon Connect gives you access to easy-to-use tools that make compliance more efficient, so you can have greater peace of mind. The first compliance tool is Logbook. It turns any smartphone or tablet into an easy-to-use electronic logging device, or ELD, that makes it easy for drivers to comply with hours of service and record of duty status regulations. They can see how long until their next 30-minute break and when their driving time is up for the day. Logbook even has an inspector mode to make inspections easier. Logbook makes compliance easier for managers by identifying ELD setup issues for vehicles and drivers, automatically logging hours of service for each vehicle and driver, sending near real-time alerts on driving over hours or missed breaks, and helping prepare current and historical HOS reports for inspections and audits. Logbook supports data transfers to the Department of Transportation or Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, and its software is updated regularly to stay current with regulations. Another key compliance tool is DVIR, a complete solution that lets drivers fill out driver vehicle inspection reports on their smartphones to document safety defects or mechanical issues. This tool saves time, improves accuracy, and simplifies compliance with customized checklists guiding drivers through the inspection process, and complete digital reports and documentation to help you maintain an audit trail in compliance with FMCSA regulations. Fuel card integration is another key Verizon Connect feature that makes it easy to comply with international fuel tax agreement rules. Finally, Verizon Connect makes compliance more efficient by streamlining maintenance. Keeping your vehicle's maintenance up to date makes it easier to stay in compliance with emissions and other requirements. You can customize service plans to issue alerts for every type of service and vehicle in your fleet, based on time, distance, or engine hours. And use vehicle maintenance reports to document all the scheduled and/or completed services for a specific vehicle over a specified period of time. When you combine Logbook, DVIR, and Verizon Connect's streamlined maintenance abilities, you'll have the tools you need to make compliance more efficient and give yourself greater peace of mind.